so this is now the rinsed Napa cabbage, and we got it down to the taste that is really yummy. Squeezed out excess. It doesn't have to be bone dry, but enough that it's going to be not dripping with water. Okay, so now we're going to add the grated or microplaned ginger, garlic, and chili powder, and a little bit of sugar. And the sugar is going to, is going to feed the bacteria. Okay, so and I'm just going to sprinkle. Again, this is going to be to taste. So, whoops. That's good. That's actually really good. Yeah. You probably just not want to do what I'm doing, fingers on the pepper. But, all right, Mom, would you mind grabbing the garlic? And I've just put the ginger in. And then you're going to rub it in. Mom, you know what? You want to use your gloves that you got today? Just get a clean one, because you really don't want all of this on your hands.
No, what I'm going to...
Or a spoon.
Why don't I use a spoon?
Yeah.
I'm going to use a spoon.
Okay, so...
I don't trust the gloves, even if it's a clean one.
Okay.
But you get a big, heavy spoon, you can manage it.
So what I did was save over some of the brine from the throw off in case we need a little more liquid when we pack the cabbage into the jar. So we got our scallion there. And we're going to taste this. We want it to have enough, we do want moisture in it. And we do want, and we're going to need more chili as well. So, I'm just mixing it in. I do everything by hand. But,
yeah, it's just because of the
I
chili.
know.
Yeah.
I know, so.
Anyway,
And you might want to taste it if
smelling
it's,
like kimchi already. That pepper is the only one that needs to be used.
So awesome.
That's the key.
It looks like we need a little more pepper, don't you think? Did you get all of it in there?
Let me finish.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I guess at the end it's going to taste like a fresh Asian slaw, and with a little bit of, sprinkled sugar in it. I think it's a little dry, and my preference is to dilute some of that brine and put it in there. Okay, so you go ahead and do this, Jules. Mix up your cabbage with your spices and a little bit of the sugar. I don't know, maybe half a teaspoon or a teaspoon. A teaspoon, maybe.
Teaspoon?
Yeah. And then after that's done, you should have more liquid in there than this. Then you can add your scallions and mix it up, and then taste it. And if it tastes really good, then it'll be good to go. If you want to add more of any of the ingredients, like the ginger, garlic, or what have you, then you can do that at this point. Okay.